Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, ang papag-usapan natin is yung difference ng traditional and digital banks. I'm sure madami sa inyo ang naku-curious kung ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba nila and kung ano ang better for your needs. So if you're thinking of opening a bank account or naghahanap ka ng bank that suits your lifestyle, this video is for you. So let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. Traditional banks and digital banks, pareho silang nag-offer ng essential services like savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. But the way they operate is very different. Here's a quick rundown. First difference is yung physical presence. Siyempre, pag sinabing traditional banks like BDO, BPI, Metro Bank, usually may physical branches sila. Meron kang pwedeng puntahan na bank kung may gusto kang isettle or kung may gusto kang kausapin na teller for specific transactions. On the other hand, digital banks like Como, Maya, or Tonik don't have any branches. Everything is done online on an app or a website. So, convenient siya kung ayaw mong lumabas or mag-commute para lang mag-open ng bank account or mag-deposit. Next is account opening and accessibility. Sa traditional banks, kailangan mong pumunta sa branch to open an account. Magsasubmit ka ng ID, proof of billing, tapos may pipirmahan kang forms. It takes time and minsan may waiting lines. Pag sa digital banks, mabilis lang. You can open an account within minutes by just using your mobile phone. Kailangan mo lang ng valid ID and self-verification. And ayun na, meron ka ng account. Kaya super accessible sa mga taong busy or walang branch na malapit sa kanila. Ngayon, pagdating sa services and product range, mas lamang ang traditional banks. Kasi usually, mas malawak ang services nila. Sa traditional banks, you have access to mortgages, car loans, personal loans, investments, at pati insurance. They even offer business accounts for small to large enterprises. Pero sa digital banks, mas basic ang services nila, like savings account, payments, transfers, and sometimes some small personal loans. So, mas simplified talaga ang ino-offer ng mga digital banks. Ito ang part na interesting sa karamihan sa atin, interest rates and fees. Sa traditional banks, usually, mas mababa ang interest rates for savings accounts. Plus, madalas may fees like maintaining balance or withdrawal fees. But with digital banks, mas mataas ang interest rates nila. It could be as high as 3% to 5% per annum, which is way higher than traditional banks. Kasi usually around 1% or point something percent lang ang interest rates for traditional banks. At dahil nga lower ang operating cost, most digital banks don't charge maintaining balance fees or even transfer fees. Kaya if gusto nyong makaipon ng mabilis, digital banks is a good option. Also, another reason kung bakit mataas yung interest rates nila is nagpapakilala pa lang sila sa market. And that is one of the ways for them to attract clients. Pagdating sa user experience and technology, digital banks take the lead. Since online lang sila, they focus on creating smooth and convenient experience. Kaya sa app pa lang, may mga tools sila like budgeting tools, instant notifications for transactions, and madalas real-time lahat ng transactions mo. Compared sa mga traditional banks, although meron silang mobile app, hindi ganon ka-streamlined ang experience. Sometimes, may mga transactions pa din na kailangan mo gawin in person, like opening specific accounts or making large withdrawals. Next, ang papag-usapan natin is security and customer support. Traditional banks have been around longer, kaya medyo built-in na yung trust and meron silang strict protocols. Meron ding option makipag face-to-face to a teller if meron tayong problem or if we need assistance. Pero for digital banks, bago pa lang sila, so understandably na meron pa rin tayong doubt. Pero in terms of security, digital banks usually invest in top-notch tech para protektado yung data natin. Usually, may two-factor authentication, biometrics, and advanced encryption. Kaya lang, support is usually online through emails, chats, or calls. So kung kailangan mo ng mas mabilis na assistance, mas maganda pa ang traditional banks for in-person help. One more thing to consider is regulation and insurance. Both types of banks are regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And for deposit insurance, pareho silang covered by the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation or PDIC, up to 500,000 pesos. So secured yung pera mo whether traditional or digital. And lastly, when it comes to innovation and flexibility, mas mabilis ang digital banks to adapt in new tech. Kasi since fully online sila, mas madali for them to introduce new features, improve their apps, and cater to the new modern tech-savvy market. Pero sa traditional banks, they're catching up naman. Yun lang, mas mabagal since meron silang mga branches and mga legacy systems na kailangang isipin. Pero they have a lot of experience and offer a variety of financial products. So, paano ka magde-decide kung alin ang bagay sa'yo? If you need a bank for a wide range of services like loans, insurance, investments, and you want to be able to go to a branch, kung meron kayong concerns or need assistance, then traditional banks are for you. Pero if you're after high interest rates, minimal fees, and online banking, then digital banks are the best for you. Perfect sila if you want an all-digital and convenient way to manage your money. So there you have it, the key differences of traditional and digital banks. I hope this video helped you understand kung ano nga ba ang bagay based on your lifestyle and your needs. Let me know in the comments ano tingin nyong mas bagay for you, traditional or digital banks. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification button in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!